Hello and welcome back. This video is about the wild roses of Petrie Island, which is a subject that I wanted to paint for quite a while. In this video also, I'm trying a new set of watercolor paints. They're from Holbein. And I use Holbein gouache, and I thought, well, maybe it would be nice to try the watercolor. So it's they would probably complement one another. In the video, I show you a little snippet of about 18 seconds. It's a video, a clip of when we were at Petrie Island and I saw the roses. And I think it, it brings light and luminosity, if you want, to the video. It's such a big contrast with how the weather is right now with the cold and the snow, and so just looking at the leaves and the flowers and feeling the ambiance brought sunshine in my heart, and I hope it does to you too. So. So as you see, I'm not being very careful here. I'm just putting on the shades of the leaves. I'd rather add more color, more at the end as I go along than doing it right at the beginning. So I'll need a little bit more of the lemon yellow. Actually, I did not put in lemon yellow. I put the other one, Oreo, in. So let's see what happens. That was not my intention, but it is what it is. And actually, it's not bad at all. I like it. Mind you, it has changed the color, but the leaves are not all the same, which is, good. So this one, ça c'est toute la fleur. This one here is lighter, and this is darker because the leaf has bent. So let me add the yellow. But I think that was a nice accident, which brought some life to the leaves. It was a nice accident. It really was. So, there's another bud here. So it looks messy right now, and well, that's the way it is. Okay. So I think I've covered most of the leaves. And I find that it's not red enough. So you know what I'll do? I'll give a try and use a little bit of the violet and see what I can do here. Wow, it's a lot. It's strong. I'm not sure that it's what I want. Oh, well, actually, that's not bad at all. And the bud here is quite I will try to be, I'm going really dark first. And there's another bud right here. That's all you see. And what I'll do, because the side is goes on the bluish side. I want to add more definition with darker color here. I will work a little bit with the on certain leaves, and I don't want to add too much. It's just a few details here and there. It's interesting. What I find is when you do things like that in the sketchbook work and nature sketching and all that, you end up with a lot of questions, and you also realize, like the beauty of that surrounds us, and um, it's an eye opener. And for me, when I saw those roses, I was mesmerized by those. So I'm always impressed by what I discover in nature, and I think it's just wonderful to be able to do that. It's fun because I look at my screen, and it's about I think it was in August or something like that when I did the film, and it's kind of bringing me back there. It's fun. Um, yeah, so that's I really am enjoying this actually. Want it to feel a little bit more natural. Um, yeah, so in the background there are a lot of leaves from another tree, but that's not what I want to do here. I just want to work on the on what's in front of me. That's all. It's like I'm putting the emphasis on the roses, nothing else. I'm not doing any background or. Yeah, the leaves have, well, I call it teeth, but I'm sure there's another word for that. But it's just beautiful. And they all overlap one over one another. And I think that's the beauty of it all. Okay. Yeah, I'll just put perhaps just a little bit. They have a lot of thorns, which is, I don't think I would touch them. Hmm. Well, you know what? I think I'm done. I could probably work it more, but um, I love the I love how it's looking. It's to me it's very calm, very pleasant to look at, and it reminds me, of course, of Petrie Island, and I could almost feel the warmth of the day, especially when you think about what's going on here with all the snow and the cold that we're going through right now. I look at that and I look at the video of the actual location, and makes me feel good inside. It's light. It's very pleasant to look at. So I hope you enjoyed this. I do know that I quite enjoy working with the Holbein watercolors, and I will do a lot more um, paintings with them. Here is the final image. It's a beautiful sketchbook page, and it's a journal entry When I work in my sketchbook, it's always a mix of art and journaling. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I had fun doing the artwork. And I leave you now, and I wish you well. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.